Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the specific class and assignment. This gets you directly into the grading workspace. Once there, scan the student roster and note submission status so you prioritize who needs immediate attention. Open the first student's document or file preview to view work inline. Make sure to toggle comment visibility and attachment thumbnails so you see everything. This first step sets pace. You want the workspace organized before you apply rubric criteria or feedback. You now assess using the rubric and inline tools. Start by applying rubric criteria to the visible evidence in the submission so scoring is consistent. While grading, annotate with comments and suggestions. Explain why points were deducted and how to improve. Once done with one student, enter the numeric grade and any private comments for the student. Make sure to use the reply threads to clarify feedback. This makes revision cycles faster and reduces rework for both you and the student. Finish by returning the assignment with the grade and clear next step feedback so the student knows what to address. If multiple drafts exist, mark which draft you graded and use the return option for revisions or resubmission requests. Once finished, spot-check the gradebook totals to ensure accurately recorded scores. If something goes wrong, missing submissions, stuck previews, refresh the page, clear cache, or export grades as a CSV to reconcile. This troubleshooting keeps your records clean and students informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.